Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off with someone who has really long, beautiful waist-length hair. Stylist cuts the hair into a bob. Wow, that is a lot of hair. He adds in some bangs. Oh, it looks like she went darker too. Oh, this is so chic and fun. Beautiful bangs in the front. Perfect for the fall season. Next up, we have some baby bangs. Looks like she's doing... Oh, this is such a cute pixie. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. I love the texture the stylist did here. And then we have a nice classic bob. Beautiful, very nice. Once again, for the fall season, women just love bobs. So here we have another pixie. Looks like she has a really pretty ash blonde color mixed in. It almost looks silver grayish. Oh yeah, definitely more on the gray side now that I can see it in the light. And she got an asymmetrical pixie here. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the salt and pepper color. Very nice. So here we have someone with mid-length hair, and she switches it up with a mullet. This has been trending for like the past couple of seasons. I'm definitely here for it. I think the mullet is just so chic and fun. So glad that it has managed to make a comeback. So here we have someone rocking out a platinum silver pixie. This is another very hot trending color on my radar. And then we have like this really pretty icy pixie. She's got the asymmetrical undercut going here. I love that color. It's like a nice blue, sky blue mixture with the silver. And then we have this cute bob makeover. So this is another really pretty popular color for the fall. We're seeing a lot of like ginger and copper tones, strawberry blondes. And this is a color that we're seeing a lot of different complexions wear. So if you are thinking of kind of going in that red family, definitely contact your stylist, get that consult going, and make sure you get a color that goes well with your complexion. Next up, we have someone with this gorgeous head full of natural curly hair. I do have a couple of full videos with some curly hairstyles. If you do have curls, oh, she's got that tapered pixie cut. Beautiful. And this is such a nice low maintenance style too. She can do tons of wash and goes with this look. So much volume. So next up, we have a very popular trend, another one that we've been seeing these past couple of years, and that includes the look of layers. Many different variations that you can play around with the layered hairstyles. Once again, you want to make sure that you have a nice consult with your stylist, and they can kind of tell you how they are going to frame your face with the amount of layers that they are going to be doing. You can also mix in some color here and kind of really give it a nice fall makeover look. Beautiful blowout here. And the layers are, of course, going to just add that volume to your strands. So if your hair is on the thinner side, you should definitely try to get some layers this fall, winter season. So next up, we have someone with this gorgeous long hair. Oh, it looks like she might be going super short. The stylist braids the hair, grabs the clippers and the scissors and cuts the braids off. Most likely, she's going to be donating the hair. Oh, she's doing a complete buzz cut here. Wow. She definitely has a beautiful face for it. Wow. That is quite a change. Going from hair it's pretty much down your back to having like no hair at all. What a dramatic makeover. So here we have another big chop. So she's doing a bit of a DIY. The stylist cleans it up. So she also has that natural curly hair. Beautiful head full of thick curls as she embraces her curly texture. So it looks like the stylist is doing more of like a tapered cut style here, a shorter variation than the one we saw earlier. Curls are beautiful, beautiful curly pixie. All right, so here we have a haircut refresh. Wow. I love how volumized this pixie is. Look at her hair. She has got big hair for days, and I am here for it. Look at that. So gorgeous. The color also looks beautiful as well. She's got her natural grays kind of peeking through with the blonde. And then next up we have a full color transformation. So she is definitely going blonde here, adding, wow, beautiful color. She's got that ombre effect going here, which is once again trending. And then we have another pixie makeover, short bangs in the front. All right, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.